se va a sacar la foto. Anda. Pregúntate por qué estamos todos yendo a toda velocidad. ¡Ja! Lo paró al final. ¡Lo paró!
It's okay, Dad. Just come up to my room and talk to me.
Oh, what happened? Oh, what? Why did that guy run the red light? Did you see that?
That was so stupid.
Why did he do that?
That was so dumb.
Was he just not thinking? What the heck? Unbelievable. What was he doing?
I saw the look on the guy's face. He knew.
He's
wild. Right in front of a cop,
he knows he deserved it.
Oh, yeah. No, I saw the guy's face.
He's like,
Literally was zoned out. You know what I mean? Oh my God, did you just see that? He went to pass that guy and then these cars were there. Oh my God. That's crazy. Oh, go get him, Pop. Yeah, go get him. Be an asshole. See? I'm not gonna get there. He needs to be on time. Put your laser. Go get him. Be my little thing. Oh, that's weird. Like lane to you. What's it? Yep. Yes, we have to call. Come on. You didn't catch him yet? Oh, there he goes. There he is. You. What did you say? Karma cop. Oh.
Oh, you got it going. Oh, good.
Are your wiper blades streaking or smearing? Do you need new wiper blades but not sure which ones are right for you? The professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts can help. They can recommend options for your vehicle and even install your wiper blades for free. Right now at O'ReillyAuto.com.
Hi everybody, it's Christy. We all know Champion Windows for their
Expect that a lot.
Meta is building an AI version of Mark Zuckerberg designed to engage with employees.
Haji got pulled over, you stupid fucking street shit.
Technica, the company has been working.
Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him!
Well, for what I've got, with being able to have 6 passengers in here and be able to put luggage in the back too, I get 21 miles to the gallon. Oh, he's gonna go get him. Yep.
He just went to the turnout lane and just went straight on. I told him to go get him. I thought he was going to get him. See, I told you he was worried about that car in front of him. I told him. He probably didn't even see that.
You know why I got him? Got no lights.
What's the